Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Grafana dashboards for EV metrics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Grafana dashboards for EV metrics, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Grafana dashboard you want to download. Ensure you are logged into your Grafana account. Locate the dashboard you wish to export in the left navigation pane. Click on the dashboard to open it. Once the dashboard is displayed, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. Click on the gear icon to access the dashboard settings. In the dashboard settings menu, find the option labeled JSON model. Click on JSON model to view the underlying JSON structure. You will see the raw JSON code displayed in the editor. To download this JSON code, click the Download JSON button usually located at the upper right of the JSON editor. Choose a location on your computer to save the file. Give the file a recognizable name that describes the dashboard. Ensure the file extension is .json to maintain its format. After saving the file, you can import it later into any Grafana instance. Close the Grafana dashboard settings. You have successfully downloaded the Grafana dashboard for EV metrics. Now you can use this file to share or import your dashboard as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.